Bravo, cross 23.
Okay, can you hear me?
Via Alpha, Bravo, and cross 23, 778.
I heard him say Alpha, Bravo, cross 23, so it's probably this one. Come back to that. Okay. Avionics on, start time set, 711. Audio panel on. Double checking the frequencies, 121.6, 128.5, 134.225, yep. We're on ground, so that's okay. Okay, nav1 set, transponder set. ATIS not obtained, so let's obtain ATIS.
Florida is available on flight service frequencies. Runway 523 is NOTAMed closed. Advise initial contact, you have Delta. Naval Star information, Delta 1100 Zulu weather, wind 100 out 8. Visibility 10, sky conditions, ceiling 7,500 broken. Temperature 23, 2.21, altimeter 29er, visual approach runway.
Roger, continue on Charlie Delta and cross runway 2.
Ground control clearance, delivery combined 121.6. Numerous cranes in the vicinity up to 239 feet AGL. Hazardous weather information for Southwest Florida is available on flight service frequencies. Runway 523 is NOTAMed closed. Advise
Runway +1 at Alpha 5. I'd like to see
Star information, Delta 1100 Zulu weather, wind 100 out 8. Visibility 10, sky conditions, ceiling 7,500 broken. Temperature 23, 2.21, altimeter 299.
Kind of breaking up a little bit.
Yeah, I didn't catch what you said, so you started.
Is that okay to turn the radio?
How about Alpha 5? I would
You
like
did
to
perfect.
take Alpha 5 back to the GA.
And that's Mower 8?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry, yeah, I missed the first part of your call. Mower 8 +1,
ATIS
cross
obtained,
Alpha.
altimeter
Crossing Alpha,
2999. Airspeed 100 with 100. Oh, we have it in this one, yep. Altitude direction indicated 2727.
Now I do want you to double check your standby altimeter.
So this is
Standby,
do you want me
standby altimeter.
Okay.
Double check that you set it up properly.
2999. 29.90. That's 90.
Yes, sir. You're right. It was 2990. So yes, now it's good. There was 100 feet difference. That's why I mentioned. Okay,
that's good.
Cool.
Okay, runway heading. Let's change it because I'm not used to this one. 14. Where's 14? This one. Okay, I think we are good on all that. Then we're going to test the brakes, flight controls. On to the next. So let's go test the brakes. There's a nice jet coming out in front of us.
It's just a prop.
A prop, sorry.
Underpowered. But it's still, nevertheless, pretty cool plane.
Better than no plane.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Power out, power out. And you can always check the brakes also in the turn. My control.
Your controls.
My brakes are working, back to 1000, and you have control, sir.
I have controls. Okay, I can see tower.
Beautiful.
We're departing to the south because we're going down to Marco, yeah?
You can do south, southeast, whatever you want, but south, yeah, it's fine. Thank you.
Naples Ground Air Center 74 requesting departure to taxi for departure to the southeast from Air Center with information Delta.
74 runway 14, taxi via Alpha Bravo cross runway 23.
No. Taxi to 14 via Alpha Bravo cross at 23 at Bravo. Air Center 274.
What happened to the south? I thought you said south, and I said, yeah, southeast, south, whatever you want. And
I said southeast,
you changed your mind, yeah, you went to southeast. You can always amend it, like for example, you can tell him, you know what, we're just going to do a south departure. Feel free to talk to them, easily.
So we're going to go left here.
78 Naples Tower, runway 14, cleared for takeoff.
Oh, there we are, 74.
You're not yet ready to take off.
I don't know if I'm connected to the Wi-Fi or not. Okay, we're not yet at Bravo. This is Alpha 4. Coming up to a hotspot.
Correct. Yep.
Turn right. There's a nice...
Hey, good morning, Naples Ground, FBO 14 Electro at Alpha 5 to Hotel Lane.
And he's given us clearance, so I don't need to hold short.
Correct.
Runway has yellow markers.
FBO 14 Naples Ground.
Naples Ground, FBO 14 Electro, Alpha 5 to Hotel Lane.
FBO 14, proceed on Alpha Perimeter Road, Delta.
Alpha Perimeter Delta, FBO 14 Electro.
Looks like we're going to be taking off into wind, which is nice.
Yep. Which is nice. Yes,
good morning, Naples Ground, facility 4.
Check that 511 Naples Tower, report 4 mile final. And facility 4, ground.
Yeah, good morning. On the ramp at Alpha 3, like to cross over runway 5.
Facility 4, cross Alpha on to 5, hold short of 14.
Look at all those
Crossing
cars
Alpha on to 5, hold
shining.
short of 14, facility 4.
A bunch of nice cars there, huh?
Yeah, Rolls Royces and Bentleys and whatever, Porsche, Audi.
Okay,
and
so can I pull in here to do a...
yeah, we can just stay here in the corner, just do like a flip. You don't have to get on the ramp there.
Point this way? Or?
Yeah, you see this mark? So yeah, we can go a little bit more. What I'm trying to say,
You don't go in, yeah?
don't go in.
Sure.
Yeah, so you can keep on turning, stop braking. There you go, keep on turning to the left. There we go.
There?
So now the blast is going out there. Perfect.
Okay, good. Brake on, throttle on 1000, good. Fuel selector. I'm going to keep this on the left tank, yeah?
Yeah, keep it on.
That's good. Just double checking. Well, not double checking, just speaking out loud.
Yes, sir.
Full rich, throttle 2000. temps and pressures. Green, green, green. Warning lights. Oh, it's hard to see under the dash.
Yeah.
Good. Power peaks. I'm gonna watch the temperature, the RPM drop. I don't see much drop.
Let's bring it to 2000 first. Kinda hard to tell.
Okay, we're at 2000. Car peaks. Okay, yeah, a little drop. Mags left, right. Oh.
Good drop.
Back to 2000. Drop.
Good drop, yep.
Good. Throttle idle. Oil pressure. Just in the top of the yellow. RPM back to 1000. Mixture lean slightly. Radios and nav set. Let's change it to tower. Flight instruments are okay. No warnings. Seatbelts are on. Rudders are even. Flight controls are full and free. Captain's brief. Okay, in case of an emergency with available runway, we are going to hit the brakes and cut the throttle and try to get on runway where possible. In case of emergency after takeoff with available runway, we're going to look to land, cut the throttle, and exit the runway as soon as possible. In case of an emergency after takeoff with no available runway, we're going to look to land directly in front of us, not turning more than 30 degrees left or right. Engine failure above 1,000 feet, we're going to look to loop back and land on any available runway, probably the one we just took off on.
Perfect.
Yep. Okay, you got your doors?
I do have.
I have the window. No traffic behind us, that's nice. Let's just switch over to the map. Close this. Okay. Don't know if my not seeing any traffic.
You're not seeing any traffic?
Oh, I'm seeing some further away.
You're not seeing any other traffic?
Someone's coming in now.
There you go.
That wasn't there before. That's okay. Okay, so yep, everything is good. Mixtures are lean, so we're going to do the before takeoff. I'm going to approach and get ready to call the tower, yeah?
Yes, sir. You're doing great, just a bit of confidence. But that's all we need today, yeah?
Power.
You got this.
Okay. Takeoff time note, fuel pump on. Mixture rich. Landing light not required. Heater not required. Anti-collisions, good. Transponder, good. Departure clearance. Okay. Southeast.
Do you think, I'm sorry, that's it, yeah. Do you think you're gonna get clearance right now to take off? Do you think you're gonna get clear to take off?
No.
Okay, then no need to call them.
There's no point getting in the queue? Or...
Yeah, because, I mean, there's no queue.
Okay.
Is there anybody around? You're
Sure.
the only one in the queue, so now we're just gonna ask him to tell us, okay, hold short, so then we have to repeat that, and then they're gonna land, they're gonna tell them to get out and all that. Rather, it's easier, you know, just waiting for them to touch down. When you see them turning off the runway, that's when you would make the call.
Okay. Naples, Tower Air Center 74, holding short, runway 14 at Bravo, ready for departure.
At 511, turn right, taxi depart. Good day.
Right. So 511, see you.
Center 74, turn right on course, runway 14, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on 14, Air Center 74.
Okay, that was not for you, it was for them first. So please pay attention, okay?
Yep.
Apple's Tower. Center 78 is about 5 miles to the north, inbound full stop Delta.
Center 78 Naples Tower, runway 14, clear to land.
14, clear to land, Center 78.
Airspeed is alive. Temps and pressures in the green. 55. 60, rotate.
Naples Tower, ops 10's on Charlie, holding short of 14, like to cross approach end, take Bravo, Delta, Primer Road, Alpha, Bravo.
10 cross runway 14, approach in and call ground for the rest of your trip there.
Copy that, crossing 14 at the approach end, Charlie, Bravo, and then switch to ground. Thanks for your help.
300.
Tower, tell them we actually want to go to the south.
1 second, I can't hear you. I think they switched off for some reason.
I just said, tell the ground you want to go to the south actually.
Naples Tower, Air Center 74, heading south.
Center 74, roger.
Please respond.
Yeah, he said roger. Okay, that's good. So now you can turn to south.
Okay, turning south. Okay, and I'm going to make a visual on those, that point.
Okay,
If that's okay.
so now you have a heading, you have an airspeed you wanna climb it. Why don't we just put this one on? My controls for a second.
Your controls.
My control. Ooh, look at you, you're fighting this plane. There you go. I don't want you to see anything above the dashboard.
Okay.
Only below. Is that okay?
Yep.
Okay, you have control, sir.
I have controls.
And we can climb to 2,200.
Climbing 2,200.
Staying on the south heading. And
Okay, we're on a south heading. We have quite a lot of wind that's pushing us over, so I'm just going to adjust for the wind. Is that okay?
okay, yeah, of course. As long you do what you have to do. You don't have to tell me. I just want. No. When I'm heading, that means you have to keep the numbers there. I don't care about the wind correction.
Okay.
Yeah, so just stay on heading 79.
Okay, we're at 1,500. Don't want to climb too fast.
But the slower the airspeed you're climbing, slower. So the best rate of climb is given to you at 79. That
Okay,
means
slightly. Correcting for that south.
yeah, make smaller corrections. If there's only like a small difference of a couple of degrees within 5, max 10 degrees, you make really small corrections. There you go. Sometimes you can even make them from the rudder. You don't really have to do anything else.
2,100.
Wings level, keep the wings level, keep the wings level.
Air Center 78, you can turn left on Alpha, just hold short of Bravo. We got company coming your way, contact ground point 6.
There you go.
Hotel Bravo, we got the
2,200, 2,200.
Good morning, Air Center 78.
2,300. Yeah.
2,200.
Oh, sorry, I thought you said 2,500.
2,300, you can hold at 2,300.
2,300 holding.
So, what do we do? Pitch, power, trim.
Yep. Pitch.
Come on, faster, faster, faster. Pitch, keep on pitching for 2,300. Push the nose down. Push, 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 push.
bridge. Oh, let's drop down a bit. Just dropping down.
Okay.
And we're going to level off at 2-3. Come on. Down we go.
Sometimes you need to take a little bit of power out to... There you go. Don't push the nose down, maintain the altitude. That's the goal. That's the goal. Where you see right now, you're pushing the nose down on the line. That's descending you. That's not a good way to trim.
Okay.
You're trimming to maintain the altitude. So first, again, pitch is to maintain the altitude. Once I'm set up with the altitude, I'm holding it. I'm not descending, I'm not climbing, I'm holding it. Now power is set. Well, I want to be a little bit 2300. Okay, I'm still maintaining that. Yeah, 23. Yep. Okay. I see a descent trend. I'm not allowing it. I'm going back. And then I'm trimming it. I need to trim nose up a little bit. Nose up. Still the plane wants to go down. You see, I'm looking at the pitch. I don't want to let it go down.
November 91 Alpha Kilo, next tower, proceed on course, runway 14, cleared for takeoff.
Okay, right heading 230.
Right heading 30?
230.
230.
We didn't do after takeoff checklist.
After takeoff checklist.
Okay, still fine. Get to 230. No matter what I tell you in the meantime, you can't just stop in the middle of the turn because I told you something.
Okay. Yeah, it's funny with these foggles, I feel a bit disorientated.
Yeah, that's the purpose. That's how you would feel in clouds.
Okay. Altitude is good, airspeed is good, heading is good. Takeoff, after takeoff, position check, positive rate check.
There's no positive rate right now because we are straight and level flight.
Flaps up, let me correct that a little bit. Turning to the right. Correct back. Okay, temps and pressures in the green. Fuel pump off. Fuel pump off. Okay, let's just sort this out. I've got my wing is low. Heading is good. Altitude have dropped 20 feet. Looking to climb a little bit. I think there's a slight left tendency.
Okay, left heading 180.
Left heading 180. Thank you.
Josh,
I'm dropping. I've passed too much.
past 20 degrees. 21.
Alright. Correcting back. I got fixated on my altitude.
Yeah, you cannot do that. That's why you have to change. You have your pitch is the center. Then from there you go airspeed, altitude, heading, airspeed, altitude, whatever, you know, left and right. So let's stay on 180 right now.
Okay, 180.
Let's keep the wings level.
Naples Tower, Air Center
Stay on 180. You're on 170.
Runway 14, Bravo, ready for departure.
Air Center 76, Naples Tower, turn left on course, runway 2, correction, runway 14, clear for takeoff.
Left on course, runway 14, clear for takeoff.
Okay, my controls.
Your controls.
My controls. Okay, 230. The plane, you see, sometimes you're...
Yep.
You'll get yourself. Sometimes you're doing more things than is necessary, you know. The plane flies on its own, you know. I'm not touching anything and it stays on 180 heading pretty much, you know. So sometimes we are overcorrecting. Okay, what I want to show you, I'm going to turn 170, fuel pump is on, we did our clearing turn. I'm going to show you steep turns and I want you to focus on the instruments, okay?
Okay.
I'm just going to stay here, 230, clear the area, and I'm going to go to 30 degrees of bank, add some power, get to 45 degrees of bank. Look at the pitch where it is. Airspeed is increasing altitude, airspeed was increasing, altitude was increased. There you go. So look where I'm keeping the pitch and how much I'm changing it.
Yep.
Look at the heading indicator, 20 degrees before I'm coming out. I'm pushing the nose down because I climbed a bit, bring some power out, yeah?
Yep.
So the idea is we'll go and I brought the power back, yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Now I'm getting back on my altitude. And I'm gonna do another one to the right. Get 2300. I'm maintaining that 2300 feet altitude. Airspeed is good, 90. Okay, I'm gonna start to the right, getting to 30 degrees of bank, adding some power, getting to 45. I pitched a little bit up, but not too much. I'm correcting, keeping at 45 degrees of bank, and look at your pitch, at the pitch where it is.
Yep.
You see how much changes. You know, if I'm climbing or descending, they're really, really small changes.
Yep.
I'm almost getting back on my heading, leveling 20 degrees before, bringing the power back, and I'm pushing the nose a little bit down. And that was actually better than the one to the left. Okay, so making small correction. You see, I keep on adding small power, you know, increments in power. So if you get to do steep turns under the foggles, you know, I think it's going to help you with the real ones because it's helping you coordinate, you know, like how much pressure you can use. So area is clear, your controls, sir.
My controls.
And you can do a set of your own.
Okay, so I'm going to maintain 2-3.
There you go.
And I'm going to do a left 45.
There you go. Add some power because you got to 30. Add power. And don't let the nose go down. Don't let it inbound.
Don't let it go. I'm pulling up.
So pull. Whatever.
More. Sorry.
Come on, more. Yeah, that's where you had. I had
to maintain it there, yeah.
But now we descended over 140 feet, so now we have to bring it back up. There we go, but not that much. Okay, anticipate, and now just hold it there. Hold it here on the 5.
Okay.
On maybe a little bit over 5. Pushing the nose, bring the power back. Okay, good. We'll stay on the heading, and we'll do one more time again to the left.
Okay, just going to correct a little bit to the heading.
There you go, smoothly. There you go.
More to the left or right?
We can do left, right, whatever you want.
Okay, let's try left again, see if I can do a bit better. Okay, everything is good. I'm dropping a little bit. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add a little bit of power.
There you go. And don't let the plane, don't push the nose down, don't pull it. Pull.
Aye.
Come on. No, you have to do this from the beginning. Pull, my friend. Pull, please. I'm begging you, pull on that. There you go, at least there. So you can't just let go of the... Don't let go, look at that. You're releasing the yoke.
Went a bit fast. I need to anticipate it more.
You need to anticipate it more. You have to focus on my controls for a second.
Controls.
Okay, there you go. So we're getting back on 2,300. Plane is trimmed. Okay. Look at this. So we're getting into. Look at the tip of the yoke. I'm getting to 45. I'm adding that power. My tip didn't move, I'm keeping it there. I'm just increasing my back pressure. How do I keep it there? I'm increasing my back pressure. Well, if I have to increase a little bit, now it went up a little bit too much, and I'm just correcting. So I think that like between, I have to bring it back. But you see how much I'm bringing it back?
Yep.
I'm barely moving. Okay. Coming back out, pushing.
Good morning, Naples Tower, helicopter 5288 X-ray at Mosquito Control, or excuse me, 221 Tango Golf. At Mosquito Control, we'd like to depart and head
all of them except the important one. This is the one, my
Helicopter 221 Tango.
Okay.
Okay.
So we are still a little bit climbing.
All right, clear. Take off via Charlie.
This is the one, man.
Tango Golf.
That's for me. This is for the radios.
Okay.
Okay, so let's stay at 2,400. Trim the plane first.
Okay, 2,400. We are nicely
Climbing.
pitched.
We're climbing. So I want you to get the plane. Stop for a second. What altitude do you want to be on?
24.
Take your hand over.
24.
Please get it on 24. Get the plane on 24. And on the heading in the same time. So you can't pitch up if you're already high. There you go. Push the nose. Don't pull. That's it. How do you feel? Are you fast?
I feel we're a bit fast, yeah.
Yes. Take some power out. Don't pull back on the. Don't pull back again. You're
Sorry.
without thinking.
I'm tight.
You're. Yes. Why? You have to relax a little bit. Is it me? Is it the tone of my voice?
No, it's me. 24.
Okay, 2,400. Just hold it there now.
Okay.
Hold it there. Now you just want to hold it there. Don't induce left and right. Here, hold it from the bottom. Okay. You're climbing. Don't get back to 2-4. Not in the brown. Smoothly. There you go. You have to make smaller corrections, Josh, and be patient. Okay. There you go. Hold it there. You see where the pitch is? Now your decrease is going down. It went below 2.5 and we are descending. Now bring it back up. Bring it back up. Bring it to 2,400. Stay on the heading. It's just a little bit. No need to bank too much. There. Don't push it in the brown that much or that low. You see, because now we are just waving up and down. You have to find a spot.
Is it the first line or this?
It depends on the airspeed. So okay. You don't have, and we are turning right now. We are turning. Let's get back on our heading. You have to keep control of the plane.
880 Golf, you cut off one full.
Oh, altitude is good right now. Do not change anything. Let's trim it.
East, information
Get on the heading.
Full stop 14.
880 Golf, report midfield left downwind.
If you let go of the controls, is the plane gonna stay there?
Let's know midfield downwind 14, and I'm in the AC 90 for 80 Golf.
Okay, sounds good. 80
What's happening? The plane wants to descend. Don't let it.
80 Golf, Roger. Thank you.
Does it feel good? Does you want to stay there now?
Yeah, I think we want to stay there.
Okay, let's do a left turn. 010.
010 left turn.
Yep, maintain 2,400. And this time we want to turn at standard rate turn. Don't let every time you're banking, the nose wants to go down. Just maintain a little bit of pressure there. There you go. Now don't bank too much. Not more than 20. Back pressure, back pressure, back. Maintain the altitude. .20 degrees of bank. 20 degrees of bank. There you go.
A little bit early.
That's fine. Perfect level. Good. How is the plane feeling? Take your hand away from me.
Feeling good, feeling good.
Okay, cool. Perfect. Now let's do one set of steep turns.
One set of steep turns to the
Yes,
left.
sir.
Okay.
Well, one set is one to the left, one to the right.
One to the left, one to the right. Okay, 3. Okay, we're level.
And on the throttle.
And on the throttle. 3, 2, 1.
Smoothly. Keep the pitch where it's there. Okay, add some power. There you go. Keep the pitch there on the 5. There you go. Keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it. Don't let go. There you go. Focus on that. Keep it there. Keep it there. Keep it on the 5. There you go. Keep it on the 5. Keep it. Hold it. You can't just pull for 1 second. You have to hold it there. And let's keep 45 in the same time. So hold it there. Hold it. Keep that pressure in there. Don't go more than. Hold that. Okay, come out and level the wings. Good. Okay, good enough. Take some power out. Push the nose down. Push the nose down. Push the nose down so we don't climb. That's good. Okay, let's go to the right.
Okay, going to the right. 1, 2, 3.
30 degrees. Add some power. Keep the pitch at 5. Keep the pitch at 5. 5. There you go. Pull back. Pull. Don't go more than 45. Pull. Pull, Josh. You have muscles. I know you got muscles. Don't relax your hand too much. Just a little bit. At 45 degrees of bank. Hold it there. Hold it there. That's perfect. Don't move a muscle. Don't move a muscle. A little bit to the right. There you go. That's it. Keep 45 degrees of pitch.
30.
There you go.
30.
Wait. Now you can come out. 20 degrees before. Look. Okay. Good enough. Toggles off. There you go, sir. Okay, let's maintain the altitude. Get the plane under trim. Trim the plane, whatever you need to do. Trim. And take me please to Marco Island.
Okay. So Marco Island is northeast of us. And let me just get this under control. I'm climbing a little bit.
Pitch, power, trim. Sometimes look at your airspeed. Maybe it's too much power in there.
November Ranger Golf, runway 14, cleared line.
4 cleared line, ready to turbo, thank you.
Naples wind.
Now if the power is adjusted, then it's the trim.
Okay.
It goes in that order. Pitch, power, trim. Pitch to maintain the altitude.
Okay, we're flying level. Okay, so Marco is coming up on our right over there. I'm not seeing it that well. I'm going to get the traffic for Marco, see what's happening there. 122.7. So I'm going to change this to 1. I have to remember how to do this. 7. I'm just going to check how far away we are from. Just going to do a left turn over the sea so we don't get too oil, I think.
Where is Marco?
Marco's over on the right.
No, we're on the, which on one of the...
KMYK, 6 nautical miles.
There you go.
And I'm not seeing things, so we're just outside the area. I'm going to do a full turn and go back to Marco. Make a call, say we are 6 miles up. Downwind.
You have to listen to what they're saying on the frequency, because whoever talked, they just told you everything, I mean, which runway is in use, what they are doing.
Yeah, I'm dropping a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna go into Marco. 17 is in use, and it looks like it is a left-hand pattern, but I'll keep an eye on that as we get a bit closer. Dropping a little bit, let's pitch up. Okay. And I still don't see it, but so I'm going to use the map to get directions there. And I'm looking for 3 tall buildings. There's 3 tall buildings there.
Marco traffic, are we now 1 off kilo on the space for 17 Marco?
Okay, so I'm going to make a call to say that we are 6.2 miles out. Is that okay? I'll just do it. Okay, I'll take control.
Yes, sir.
Marco traffic, air center 74, 6 miles west, heading for touch and goes at Marco. Air center, Marco. So now I'm going to make a plan because it is a left pattern and I'm coming in from the right. I'm going to have to overfly it at 2,000 feet. So that means I'm probably going to have to do a teardrop to the right, circle into the left downwind. And I will make my intention known in a little bit. I'm just going to drop to 2,000 RPM, so I just drop down to 2,000 slowly. I'm not too high and I don't want to dive over the airport. Okay, I can see the airstrip, airport. And we are 4 miles out. I'm going to announce it just to give myself a bit of thinking room. Marco traffic, air center 74, 4 miles west. Planning to overfly the airport at 2,000 feet. Right teardrop, left downwind for runway 17, Marco.
Amazing. Do you see the runway now?
I see the runway.
Okay, perfect. Just maintain the altitude.
I see a plane landing on the runway.
Okay, just maintain the altitude and just stay over the center.
Maintain the altitude. Yeah, 2,000. So my next call is going to be, I could do it at 2-4, or I can when I'm overflying.
When you're overflying, I would assume. I mean, I would say that would be pretty good.
So I'm just doing this on a visual basis.
Oh, yes.
I'm not going to be dropping a little bit, so let's climb a little bit. There was an airplane landing, but I don't see it on my ADS-B in.
Don't worry about it.
Again, traffic, Archer 809 Victor is maneuvering just to the west of the airport, 1,200 feet, land.
1,200 feet left?
No. Listen to it. It said Sebring Airport.
Loud, quick.
Marco traffic, are we now 1 off kilo on the departure leg remaining in the pattern, Marco?
Hand on the throttle. You do adjustments as you need. If you're descending and you're slow, you need to add power.
Okay, coming over Marco in a second, so I'm going to make the call.
100 Victor, we're going to cross over midfield, join the left downwind for runway 16, we'll stop land there at 1,000.
Marco traffic, air center 74, overhead runway at 2,000 feet, planning to do a right teardrop to left, runway 17, Marco.
Left downwind.
Marco traffic,
Left downwind.
left crossing for 17, Marco.
Okay, we're not quite over we're over near the left side of the airport, so I want to turn this here a little bit.
You're good. You don't want to turn to the left, you want to turn to the right because you want to overfly it perpendicular. So to the left, yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, squaring off this. I'm going to get a little bit of separation so I don't have to do such a steep turn.
Okay.
And I want to drop, so I'm going to bring the airspeed back to 2,000.
Okay, don't drop too early. Because they are right below us right now, these people. On the downwind, they are right below us.
Okay, see them.
So you see, you want to keep, don't want to spoof them. Yeah.
1,000 feet below us. Or 2,000.
After 1 mile, then you can maybe start descending smoothly.
Yeah. Okay, and I'm going to go for a slightly bigger teardrop over to the right.
Don't. So then do it very, very shallow bank and start descending now even more. Make the call. Tell them you're on the teardrop now.
Marco traffic, are we now on kilo on left base for 17, Marco?
Marco traffic, air center 74 on right teardrop into left downwind for 17, Marco.
See, you're still close to the airport.
Yeah.
But take some more power out. Going this way doesn't really help you. We should have went that way a little more. Yeah,
90
but
degrees.
now it's fine. Now let's do our turn. Let's turn and join the down.
Gonna do a visual turn, keeping an eye on my altitude, 15. Quite steep, but I want to.
No, this is perfect. Because you are slow, so now we can turn better.
14. Keeping an eye out for traffic.
Traffic is on final there.
Yeah. 13. Marco traffic, air center 74, joining downwind 17.
Left
Marco.
downwind.
Left
1.
downwind, Marco.
I have to say left, right. Okay, approaching 1000, start pulling back on the control, increase, add some power. Okay, parallel.
Okay. Midfield.
Add some power.
Okay. I'm in line with the beam, so I'm going to configure.
Okay.
So 18. Kill the airplane.
Marco traffic, are we now on for kilo? Go around on the departure leg remaining in the pattern, Marco.
Okay, I feel a bit of wind.
Yeah. You're correcting fine.
Okay, I'm just going to get a little bit more space. Okay, I'm going to turn into my base. Marco traffic, air center 74, turning left base. 17, Marco.
Keep it simple. Left base 17 Marco. Don't say runway, don't say anything like that. Don't say 4.
Marco traffic, are we now on for kilo on the left crosswind for 17, Marco?
Okay, what's our speed?
Power is good. Power is amazing. Control it with the pitch. Don't change the power.
Slowing down a bit at 76. It's actually really nice because there's no pappies to help, so.
There you go. So now you're going to have flaps. Don't change the power yet. When you can make it, that's going to be. Make the call.
On air center, Marco traffic, air center 74 on final 17, Marco. Add flaps to get a bit more height.
So don't touch the power. Keep the nose pointing towards 17. Keep the nose pointing down towards 17. There you go. Keep it on the line there. Keep it on the line. Keep it on the line. Keep lower on the 0 line because you're descending on the 0 line. There you go. Perfect. Nose is to the left. That means left wind is coming from the left. So you're going to have to do left aileron, right rudder when you're touching down.
I'm slowing down because I feel a bit fast.
Okay. Hold it. Don't try to land it. There you go.
Big balloon, sorry.
It's okay. Keep it. Even if you balloon, then you still have to let it descend, but smoothly into the...
That was too fast a correction.
It's all good. Left
airspeed
aileron.
is live.
Left aileron.
Left
Go.
aileron.
Marco traffic, are we now on Alpha Kilo on left base 417 Marco?
Going again or no?
Yes.